Hi, how are you? I am a herbalist Shahid. Today I am having for you a cure for headache. Half headache or a complete headache. With a headache, you are having a problem in your eyesight. With a headache, you are feeling tired. You feels heavy head. You feels also some kind of a pressure or load on your head. You're having a pain in your head since last many years, or you are having a pain in your head very recently. You tried many medicines for a cure your head. I mean your headache, but your half headache or head pain is not leaving you. You are really very. You even tried medical, you tried medicine related to allopathic, you even tried herbs, and you still feels that you can't get better. So I am having a magic for you, magic medicine, a medicine who will just kick out to your headache. And I also want to tell you that headache is not a problem, it's just easy to get right. Because let me tell you, due to headache, it can be a reason due to constipation, due to our stomach problems. We also can have these kind of problems while we are having something wrong in our stomach. The stuff we eat. So let me tell you that headache is not a problem. I am having a great cure. Just 3 things, not a lot. Just take these 3 things from a bazaar and just make a powder of it and use it in a milk. You have to mix it in a milk and you have to drink that milk. So let me tell you what are the herbs. First one is peppermint, 20 gram. Second one is ginger. Ginger you have to use 20 gram. Next is valerian. Valerian you have to take 20 gram. Just make a powder, make a grind of it, and after make a powder, you have to put it into a glass or a cup. After put it, you have to just also use drink, I mean a milk, and you have to use it in the morning time and in the night time. That's best for you. Have to use just 2 weeks or 1 month. A great results you will get. So this was for you today. Let me give you my number 0092 222 8032. That's my number. And please like my channel, subscribe it and share it. We will talk in next video. Please allow me to go, and it was a nice meeting with you. We will meet in next video. Have a good time. Bye bye.